Hi everybody, my name is Miss Olivia, and today, in honor of Hanukkah, we are going to tell the entire story of Hanukkah using a really fun song and some really cool puppets. Some of you might know that this story is about a mean king whose name is Antiochus. Can we say Antiochus? Antiochus. And his mean soldiers. Most soldiers are really nice, but since these were soldiers of a mean king, the soldiers in the story are also mean. Let's see what happens in the story as Antiochus goes on and starts being not very nice to the Jewish people, and we're going to see how the Jewish people feel as the story goes on. Many, many years ago in a place called ancient Greece, there was a mean old king named Antiochus. What a beast! He told the Jewish people that they may not learn Torah, and no more keeping Shabbat, and no more bris milah. And the Jewish people were sad. They were so very sad. It really hurt them not to serve Hashem. They were so very sad. Then one of the Jewish people said, "This cannot be. We'll continue learning Torah, but we'll do it secretly. We'll gather our Torah books and will not make a sound. We'll be very quiet so we cannot be found." But the Jewish people were scared. They were so very scared. What if king's soldiers come say, "You're learning Torah, no way"? They were so very scared. Then he said, "Don't worry, up my sleeve I have a trick. We'll bring along these tops with us and pull a little shtick. We'll say we're playing dreidel, that's it and nothing more. And then they'll say, 'Okay, no problem,' then walk out the door." Kind of sneaky, wasn't it? And the Jewish people were glad. They were so very glad. They were happy they can learn some Torah again. They were so very glad. Then one day the soldiers did something very bad. They came into the Beit Mikdash, broke everything it had. They even brought a pig inside, which they knew was treif. At that point, the Jewish people knew they were not safe. And the Jewish people were mad. They were so very mad. They said, "We'll fight the king and we'll risk everything." They were so very mad. Then there was a miracle. The Jews had won the war, even though the king's soldiers numbered so many more. Then another miracle happened in our sight. They only found one jar of oil that lasted for 8 nights. And the Jewish people were glad. They were so very glad. The right to serve Hashem was their most precious gem. They were so very glad. So on Hanukkah we're glad. We are so very glad. Dreidels, latkes, and gelt make our joy so heartfelt. For 8 days we are glad. Happy Hanukkah, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the show.